Recording at 10216 37th Place Southwest 10216. This is 30 feet down from the cleanout. Just taking this as a before video for a liner. Some separation in that joint there. Cracking on the bottom, separation, more cracking. The offset here, this is where we plan to excavate. Separation up that joint, and back up into the black ABS. Ending the video here.